Look at that, in less than 30 seconds, I've already got a bucket almost full. Hey guys, it's Mark from Hallmark Pool Supplies. As most of you guys know, changing sand can be a hassle. It's definitely a chore, and it's something that most people don't like to do, and some people even hire it done, but that can be very expensive. So in this video, I'm going to show you a way that we can change the sand very easily. It's also very fast, and the best part is there'll be very minimal cleanup. And how are we going to do that? We're going to do that with this tool that I have here. This is called a Sandvac. This is not new. This has been around for over 40 years, and when it was introduced into the industry, it was set up and designed for the pool professionals. So pool professionals would use these to change sand for their clients' filters. This device is still used today, and it wasn't really on the open market. However, today, if you want one, anybody can own one of these, and you can change sand just like the pool professional. So definitely stick with me, because in this video, we're going to explain how this works, and then I'm going to go out in the field and we're going to actually show you guys how this thing works in action. So let's take a look at this illustration that I have here. Traditionally, when we change sand, we're going to obviously turn off the filter, we're going to remove the top, and when we do so, we're usually in here hand scooping. Some people have used shop vacs. Some filters have drain caps on the bottom that once removed, there's also a sand screen, and we can drop all the sand out of the tank. But the problem is it gets all over the ground, and then it's got to be cleaned up. It's just a lot messier doing it that way. So what the pool professionals do is they use the Sandvac, and you can do the same thing. The only thing you need is a garden hose. We're going to hook our hose, our discharge hose or exhaust hose, to the Sandvac, and in this case we put it into a bucket. By doing this, as we suck the sand out and we fill the bucket up, when the bucket's full, we can stop, dump the bucket, and we can dump the sand and put it in a location where it's not going to be all over the ground or in the area where you don't want it. It's just a quick way of disposing the sand without any mess. And if you decide that you just want to dump it out on the ground, there is a longer hose that comes with the kit, because you do get a 4.5-foot hose as well as a 9-foot hose along with the Sandvac and complete instructions on how to use it. Here's the key. When we open this up, we want to make sure we have the tank filled with water. So people that have a top mount tank, we make sure that this is filled with water, and then we put our Sandvac in. And as we're sucking the sand out, the water is also going down. And once the water level gets to a certain point, we're going to have to stop. We're going to have to fill the tank back up, because the Sandvac will work better with more water in the tank. If we get the water level too low, the Sandvac does not have the same siphoning or suction without the water in the tank. So we will have to add water to the tank to continue on. This is based on a top mount filter. For those of you that have a side mount filter where the valve is on the side of the tank, then we want to make sure when we turn off the system that we put the filter system in closed. So this way, when we fill the tank up with water, it doesn't drain out, because if we leave it in filter, the water in the tank is just going to drain down to the level of where the multiport valve is. And it will drain faster than you get a chance to use the Sandvac. So there is a complete list of instructions on how to use this. It is very simple and very easy. And the first time you use it, the Sandvac is already paid for itself. In fact, I've got a Sandvac. I've had mine for over 35 years, and I still use it when I change sand on my filter. And so now today that this is available to the open market, you can change sand just like a pool professional, and the average tank we can do in 15 minutes or less, especially if we're just dumping the sand out on the ground. But if you want to put it into a bucket and remove the sand and dump it in another location, that may take a few minutes longer, but the benefit to all of this is there's no sand or debris around the tank that we've got to shovel, rake, and clean up, making the process so much easier. So now let's go out in the field and let me show you how this actually works. I think you guys are going to be really amazed at the performance of this. And if anybody is interested in getting a Sandvac, I will post a link down below for anybody that wants one. Okay, so now we're out here at a filter system. And the first thing we're going to do is obviously cut the power off. And because I'm working with a side mount filter, we are going to put it in closed, like I said before, because we don't want that water going down. And at this point in time, I'm going to grab a garden hose and I'm going to go ahead and fill the tank up. We want to fill it up as high as we can fill it. Remember, the more water in the tank, the better the siphoning is on the Sandvac, and it will work better. Okay, so now that we have the tank filled, now we're going to take our Sandvac and we're going to connect it to our hose. And all we're going to do is we're going to screw it in like so. Make sure we've got it nice and tight. And then we're going to take our discharge hose or exhaust hose and we're going to hook it up. And now at this time, I'm going to be able to put this in to our tank, and I'm going to be able to put my hose into my bucket. And then all we've got to do now is turn the water on and we'll start sucking sand out. Yeah, see all that sand coming out? Very quick. And look at that. All right, let's take a look here. Look at that, in less than 30 seconds, I've already got a bucket almost full. And there you have it. See how easy that is? I just wanted to show you guys. Everything is now contained in the bucket. We don't have sand everywhere. There's no cleanup. I can take the bucket, move it to another location, dump the sand. I can come back and do it again until we get all the sand out of the tank, making this process effortless, especially for the cleanup. And now you can change sand like the pros. And if you guys want to get a Sandvac, I do have them on my website. I will post a link down below. And as of right now, we are having a sale, so you can actually pick one up at a good price, and it's definitely well worth it. I want to take this time to thank everybody for watching. I want to thank all my subscribers. Definitely remember us at Hallmark Pool Supplies for all your pool needs. My name is Mark, and I'll see you guys on the next video.